Are you tired of bland and boring weight loss meals? Today, we're sharing 10 healthy and delicious recipes that you need to try. First up, a flavorful vegetable stir-fry with tofu. Packed with protein and veggies, this dish is a winner for lunch or dinner. Next, a nutrient-dense green smoothie with spinach, avocado, and pineapple. It's a great way to sneak in some extra greens and satisfy your sweet tooth. For a satisfying salad, try our Mediterranean-inspired recipe with quinoa, chickpeas, feta cheese, and a tangy dressing. Seafood lovers will enjoy our simple and tasty baked salmon recipe with lemon and herbs. For a cozy and comforting meal, try our homemade chicken noodle soup with plenty of veggies and whole grain noodles. Our flavorful grilled chicken recipe with garlic and herbs is perfect for a summer barbecue or weeknight dinner. For a quick and portable meal, try our vegetarian wrap with hummus, veggies, and feta cheese. Another way to enjoy a nutritious and filling breakfast is with our berry and banana smoothie bowl with granola and nuts. Our grain bowl with roasted veggies, quinoa, and a creamy avocado dressing is a satisfying and balanced meal. Finally, satisfy your sweet tooth with our chocolate avocado mousse made with natural sweeteners and healthy fats. Thanks for watching. Which recipe will you try first? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy eating inspiration and weight loss tips.